everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we will be creating this cute cup cover. So let's go ahead and start with the materials. Okay, so you're going to need fabric, of course. I am making mine reversible, so get you two different types of fabrics. Place them right sides together, and my measurements is an 8.5 circle, okay? You will also need a elastic piece. Whatever elastic size you want to get, totally fine. Any size, it will still work. This is around about 9.5 in length for my elastic piece. Of course, you need your sewing machine, and you will also need this Eyelet toolkit that I purchased off of Amazon, and I will leave this in the description box below. This will allow us to create the hole in the middle here, as you can see, where you place the straw, and there's two pieces that come with the kit that we need to attach to the Eyelet tool here. So you need the main piece and then the bottom piece here. Okay, so I have already cut out my fabric, and like I said, it's 8.5. If you watched my bonnet sewing tutorial, this is something similar, not too far from that. I will also leave that video at the bottom of this one, okay? So this is the sewing machine that I am using. We are going to create a straight stitch going around, and we're going to leave about, I would say about 2 inches, just enough for me to fit both of my fingers inside to turn this piece right sides out, okay? So let's get started with the sewing. Okay, have my fabric placed underneath here. My presser foot is down now, and we're going to sew here. And do not forget to do what? Back stitch. You always want to make sure you back stitch your project so it does not fall apart. Okay, so just keep going all the way around, and remember to save about a 2-inch gap so that you can turn your fabric piece right side out. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this, and as I stated, to keep a hole here so you can put your 2 fingers in to turn it right side out. I am going to do an extra step, and I'm going to remove some of this excess fabric, but I'm not going to start cutting here where the opening is. Okay, so once you have turned your fabrics right sides out, you want to go ahead and iron it. You see how crispy and round that is? Perfect. This is so much easier to work with when you iron your pieces down, okay? So you want to iron your pieces down, and the next thing you want to do is grab your elastic piece, whatever size you have. You just want to place it up against your fabric, and make sure you have sewing enough room for your elastic to lay perfectly. So now we're going to create the casing for our elastics to sit. So I need to start sewing about right here. So right here, give me enough room for my elastic to sit comfortably. Okay? And before, we did not sew all the way around. We kept a 2-inch opening, but this time we're going to just continue to sew all the way around. We're not going to stop. Okay, so we're going to start here. Place your presser foot down. You're going to do a straight stitch, of course. And now you're going to make sure you do a back stitch to liken your stitching. And continue until you get all the way around. Okay, so now we should have something that looks like this. And you want to grab your iron, fold your piece over in half, and fold it once more the other way. And you're just going to press at the little corner here that you created. This right here will let us know where the center of our circle is, so we can place our eyelet tools there. Okay, so now I have a little indentation here, and now I can grab my eyelet. You're going to place the base with the ridges facing up. At the bottom, it's magnetic, so it's not going anywhere. And then you're going to place this one with the flat side placing up, like so. I just turned my fabric in just a little bit so that I can get a little closer to the middle. like so. So once you get it to the middle in the center, you're going to go ahead and squeeze down firmly. And as you can see, that created a hole. The fabric is out. It's a clean cut. And now we have something that looks like this. Alright, so the next step is to grab your elastic. You need a safety pin. Place the safety pin on one end, and you're gonna feed the elastic, through the hole that you kept open right here. And we're gonna just feed our elastic through all the way to get around to the other side. And be careful not to let too much of your elastic go through. Okay, so I'm just doing a little bit at a time. And now I see I'm at the end now. I didn't met up with the other end. So I'm just going to pull it just a little bit so that I can tie a knot. Okay, I'm going to grab both pieces here, and you're just going to tie a small little knot. Like so. And you're just going to cut off the remaining piece here. And now we're going to hide the elastic inside of the fabric. And the last step is to close up our gap. So we're going to take it back to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch here, closing up the opening. Cut off your extra thread. Alright, and this is the finished product. And you are done. Here is your cup cover. And really, it can be reversible, honestly, because I don't think this side looks too bad. I mean, this is the smooth side, but I don't think it look bad at all. So, you have a reversible cup cover. Okay, guys, so here is the final look. These turned out really, really cute. I love it. Very beginner friendly, super easy. And as I stated before, these can be reversible because why not? So I hope that you all learned something new. I hope that you give it a try. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, please share it with your family and friends. As always, take that sewing machine out that box and create something beautiful. In the meantime, you all have a great one. Be safe. Until next time, bye.